We always look for alternative investment avenues for diversification as well as stability of the portfolio. The search usually begins and ends in our own domestic markets. Time to look beyond the domestic frontiers. By taking your investments into the global markets, you can geo-diversify across economies and markets, get access to exclusive global themes, manage risk by leveraging the low correlation across markets, benefit from global growth opportunities, create a hedge against currency depreciation. Presenting HDFC Developed World Index's Fund of Funds, an open-ended fund of funds scheme investing in units or shares of overseas index funds and/or ETFs, which will in aggregate track the MSCI World Index. The scheme will endeavor to track the performance of the MSCI World Index. What is MSCI World Index? MSCI World Index is a broad global equity index that represents the performance of large and mid-cap stocks across 23 developed markets. It has 1,500 plus constituents and covers approximately 85% of the free float adjusted market capitalization in each of these markets. Notable markets include the USA, Canada, Japan, Australia, and major European markets. Put together, the 1,500 plus constituents of the MSCI World Index span 5 global regions, 23 countries, and 14 currencies. They constitute almost 56% of the global GDP and roughly half of the world's total market capitalization. The GDP growth of the countries comprising the MSCI World Index has been steadily rising during the past 4 decades. A key advantage of investing in overseas stock markets is that they have a low correlation with Indian stock markets, resulting in a hedge against the domestic markets. The historical returns shows the better risk-adjusted performance of MSCI World Index over Nifty 50 Index across most timeframes. To sum it up, investing in HDFC Developed World Index's Fund of Funds provides you unique opportunities, access to 5 regions and 23 countries, diversification to mitigate single country risk, participation in a developed market's growth, investment opportunity in 1,500 plus global heavyweights, access to an index spanning 50% of global market cap and 56% of global GDP, and hedge against currency depreciation. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.